Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn how we can add JavaScript to a web page. Our starting point of coding in JavaScript is actually a HTML page, and one of the use of JavaScript is to change the markup or to change the document that is being shown in browser. So in a web page, in our case index.html, we can use a script tag and put any JavaScript code inside it. So let's look into this. So here I am inside index.html, and in order to write any JavaScript code inside a HTML document, we have to use script tag. So after closing of body tag, I am going to use script tag. Script, close and opening. So here I can write any JavaScript code. So first I will write alert, and I will be writing hello world inside it. Semicolon. Control save, and here I will refresh it. There is no alert being shown. So what is the error in our code? So whenever you come across a error and you have to see what is happening, so you can go to F12. You can press F12 in Windows and go to console. So here I can see my error. Uncaught reference error, alert is not defined at index 16.5. So it is basically telling me, like, here I'm using alert which is not defined anywhere. So here is our first learning. JavaScript is case sensitive. So here I have used capital A, and in JavaScript there is a function alert that start with small a, so it is alert, all in small case. So this is the function, and if I use capital A, then it will not identify which function is. That's why we are getting a not defined error. So if I save it here and I go to my browser, I can see my message is here, hello world. And if I press OK, now you can see there is no error. So it is working perfectly fine. So we have just wrote our very first code of line. And just to understand this, this alert is a function. This alert is a function. And we will be learning functions later in this course. And this hello world inside double quotes is a string, and we will also be learning strings in later lectures. But for now, just understand that by executing this alert command with input of hello world as a string, we are going to get a pop-up with a message in it, as you have seen in this demo. And just remember, alert is a function, and we can confirm it using JavaScript. So let's do that. I will write another alert message, alert pop-up, and here I will write type of, that is a operator, and I will write alert here. So let's see what the output. So I have saved this. And I got a hello world message. If I press OK, I am getting function. So my type of operator gives me a string indicating the type of operand value. So it is telling us like this alert is a function. So remember, using type of, we can know the type of any operand value. So just to recap, we can place our JavaScript code between script tag in our HTML file, but that is really not the best place to put JavaScript code. It is better to have a JavaScript code in its own file. That way we will have a nice separation of HTML code and JavaScript code. So in next lecture, we will see how we can separate JavaScript code from HTML code and put inside a separate file. See you in next lecture.